Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we will be continuing our Jenkins lecture series, and today we will be creating our first Jenkins job. So in the previous video we have gone through the dashboard overview. When you freshly install your Jenkins, you will have this button right here, create a job. You just have to click this one, and now it will give you a bunch of options, item name. Then these are a few more options you will get, like freestyle project, pipeline, multi-configuration project, folder, multi-branch or organizational folder. So we will be going through each of them in the same series, but today let's go with the first option, which will be the freestyle project, and I will name it as test freestyle, and done. We have to hit the OK. So as soon as you hit the OK button, you will be redirected to the configuration page of that specific job. As of this point, your job is already created. You can check it either by going back to the dashboard button. It is right here, and right after creation, Jenkins will redirect you to the jobs configuration page. We will get back to the configuration part soon, but let's see what has changed in our dashboard. So you can see here I have this job created, test freestyle. It is showing some information about the job, that when was the last successful execution, when was the last failure, and the duration, I would say the time it has taken in the execution. So we will get to these things later, but now you will see that all those options to create a new job, to add a new agent are gone, and you have a clean dashboard with the projects you have created. And now I'll be like, hey man, how am I going to create another projects now? So this is when this new button right here comes in the picture. So as soon as you click on this button, you will get those options to create the new projects, and you can create another project. Now let's click on our first job, and this is how the interface of that job looks like. So you will have the options to enable or disable the job. When we say disable the project, it means people won't be able to build the project, or I would say won't be able to execute the same. This build option will get disabled from here. You have to enable it if you want to build it. Then you will see a few options like status changes and workspace, build now option, configuration, deleting the project or renaming the same. And here you will be seeing the history. Basically the execution history of the specific project will be listed here. So when we start executing the project, you will see some builds here. We will be doing the same soon, so let's wrap it up here only. We will be seeing all the configurations option in the next video, so stay tuned for the same. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you think this can help someone, then share with them, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.